Working principle of LVDT, Linear Variable Differential Transformer, an LVDT, Linear Variable Differential Transformer, is a type of electrical transformer used for measuring linear displacement, position. It works on the principle of mutual induction and converts linear displacement into a corresponding electrical signal, usually a voltage that is proportional to the displacement. Components of an LVDT. 1. Primary coil. This is the central coil that is powered by an AC signal, usually from an external oscillator. 2. Secondary coils. Two identical coils placed symmetrically around the primary coil. 2. These are used to detect the position of a movable ferromagnetic core. 3. Ferromagnetic core, or moving core, a movable metallic core that is positioned inside the LVDT and moves along the axis of the coil assembly. 3. The position of this core determines the output signal of the device. Working principle. The LVDT operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction and works as follows. AC excitation, a constant alternating current, AC, is applied to the primary coil. Magnetic field generation. The alternating current in the primary coil generates a magnetic field that induces voltages in the two secondary coils. Induced voltages. The two secondary coils are connected in series opposition, i.e., they are wound in opposite directions. The induced voltage in each secondary coil depends on the position of the ferromagnetic core. 1. When the core is in the center, null position, the induced voltages in both secondary coils are equal and opposite, and they cancel each other out, resulting in zero output voltage. 2. When the core moves to one side, the magnetic flux through one secondary coil increases, and the flux through the other decreases. 2. This results in a differential voltage, i.e., one secondary coil produces a higher voltage than the other, which is proportional to the displacement of the core. Output signal. The differential voltage between the two secondary coils is measured. This output signal is a function of the position of the core. If the core moves left or right, the output voltage changes in a linear fashion relative to the core's position. Signal processing. The output voltage can be processed by electronic circuits to provide a linear displacement reading. Key points. 1. The LVDT is highly sensitive, providing very precise measurements of linear displacement. 2. The output signal is an AC voltage, which means the system is inherently immune to drift or offset errors, making it highly accurate over time. 3. The LVDT can operate over a wide range of displacements, from a few millimeters to several centimeters. Applications of LVDT. LVDTs are used in a variety of applications due to their accuracy, reliability, and robustness. Some common applications include industrial position sensing. 1. Machine tools, for precise control of the position of components, such as in CNC machines. 2. Automation systems, in robotic arms, conveyors, and other automated processes to monitor the position of moving parts. Aerospace. 1. Flight control systems, used in actuators and control surfaces to monitor position and movements. 2. Landing gear extension/retraction, to measure and control the movement of landing gears in aircraft. Automotive. 1. Suspension testing, to measure the movement of suspension components for testing and quality control. 2. Position feedback in electric and hybrid vehicles, for various sensors and actuators that require precise position measurements. Civil engineering. 1. Structural health monitoring. LVDTs are used to measure displacements in bridges, buildings, dams, and other structures to monitor for potential failure or stress. 2. Soil testing, to measure deformation and movement in soil or ground structures under different conditions. Testing and calibration. 1. Load testing. LVDTs are used in load cells and testing equipment to measure small deformations caused by applied forces. 2. Precision measurement systems. For metrology applications where precise measurement of linear displacement is required. Hydraulic and pneumatic systems. 1. Valve position sensing. LVDTs are used to monitor the position of control valves in hydraulic and pneumatic systems for automated control. Advantages of LVDT. 1. High accuracy. LVDTs can provide extremely fine resolution and high precision. 2. No physical contact. Since the core is non-contacting, there is minimal wear and tear, leading to long-term reliability. 3. Immunity to external environmental factors. LVDTs are not significantly affected by temperature, humidity, or vibrations. 4. Wide measurement range. They can measure both small and large displacements. 5. Linear output. The output signal is linear with respect to the displacement, making it easy to interpret. Disadvantages of LVDT. 1. Requires AC excitation. LVDTs require an AC power source to operate, which may not be suitable for all applications. 2. Size and cost. LVDTs can be bulky and may require more expensive electronics than other displacement sensors. In summary, LVDTs are widely used for precise measurement of linear displacement in various industries, offering high accuracy, reliability, and durability in demanding environments. 4. Many